Have you ever wished your smartphone could feel slimmer in your hand without giving up battery life or performance? Well, Samsung is reportedly planning to do just that with the Galaxy S26 series, and the leaks suggest this could be one of the company's most exciting releases in years. According to reports, all Galaxy S26 models will be thinner than their Galaxy S25 counterparts, which means sleeker phones that look more premium and are more comfortable to hold. Thin smartphones have become a big trend this year, and Samsung has already experimented with this idea before, such as with the Galaxy S5 Edge, which stood out for its slim profile, and the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which was also noticeably slimmer than earlier foldables. Now, it seems Samsung wants to bring a similar design philosophy across the entire Galaxy S26 lineup. Reliable sources claim that all three Galaxy S26 variants will be thinner, although not as ultra-thin as the Galaxy S5 Edge, but just enough to make them easier to grip and handle daily. Even a slight reduction in thickness can make a phone feel lighter and more comfortable, which is something most users will appreciate. However, the natural question arises, how will Samsung balance this slimmer design with battery life? Thin phones usually mean smaller batteries, but leaks suggest Samsung plans to equip the Galaxy S26 series with larger batteries than before. For example, respected leaker Ice Universe has mentioned that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will be thinner and lighter than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, while still packing impressive battery performance. There are mixed reports about the Ultra's battery capacity, but one rumor points to the use of silicon-carbon battery technology, which allows more energy to be packed into the same space, making it possible to keep the phone thin while still delivering excellent battery life. Some leaks even suggest the Galaxy S26 lineup could feature batteries as large as 7,000 mAh, which would be a significant jump from today's flagship devices. If Samsung pulls this off, it could be a game changer, giving users slimmer phones without compromising on performance or endurance. Besides the design and battery, there's also some uncertainty about the lineup and naming. Some leaks hint that the standard base model could be replaced with a Galaxy S26 Pro, while the Plus model might be rebranded or discontinued. Samsung hasn't made final decisions yet, showing that they're experimenting with what works best in the market. Regardless of these changes, one thing is clear: Samsung wants the Galaxy S26 series to feel fresh and innovative, whether it's through thinner designs, the adoption of advanced battery technology, or tweaks to the lineup itself. The company is aiming to create a balance between style and practicality. In the end, some users prioritize battery life and performance, while others care more about sleekness and handling. If Samsung can truly deliver on both fronts, a slim and stylish phone with a long-lasting battery, the Galaxy S26 series could give them a serious edge over competitors in 2026. The leaks give us a lot to be excited about, but we'll have to wait for official announcements to see how everything comes together. Until then, it's safe to say the Galaxy S26 series is shaping up to be a smartphone lineup worth keeping an eye on, and it could redefine what we expect from a flagship phone in terms of design, usability, and battery performance. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates on the Galaxy S26 and other upcoming devices.